Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Revant and I have over 10 plus years of experience in data engineering, AI and ML. In recent times, I'm getting lots of messages in LinkedIn, in Instagram and even on the YouTube comment section asking about the job market and how tough it is to enter into the IT at this time right now. To be very honest guys, right now the job market is really brutal, not just in India but also in the abroad. Even the senior engineers who was working on different legacy tools and technologies are right now struggling really hard to get placed, to find a job in this market. Hearing about all of this, you don't need to worry because recently I came across one of the most trending and valuable data science course, that is Internshala's data science placement guarantee course. And yes, it comes with a placement guarantee or you will get full refund if you don't get placed. So in this video, I'm going to share more and more information about this course and how it will help you land into your data science job. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Why this course? The Internshala's Data Science Placement Guarantee course is actually structured in a beginner-friendly way. This course is completely designed in a way that you don't need to have any knowledge. You can join this course and learn everything from the scratch. And there are quite a good things about this course which you can't find anywhere else. So the first thing, the Internshala's Data Science Placement Guarantee course is going to help you with internships with stipend of up to 40,000 rupees. Not just that, they're also going to help you to get placed with their job guarantee program, whereas you can directly land into a full-time job after completing this course. And if you don't get placed in 6 months after completing this course, you are going to get the full amount whatever you paid as a refund. And the best thing about this course, it's not like fully theoretical, just like a 5 to 10% of practical. It's not the case. This particular course from Internshala is like practical heavy, and the balance between the theory and practical is perfectly balanced, so you will enjoy the course and you will get the maximum knowledge by doing this course. So the next most common question is like, what does this course actually include? You will get 2 live sessions per week where you can get your questions answered, or like if you have any doubts, it will be answered. And if there is any particular topic you want a live instructor to go much more deeper, you can actually use these live sessions to do all of that. Secondly, you will get lifetime free access to this course. So by that means, like you can actually download these full course videos and you can refer back to them whenever you want, like even after you get placed and you have some doubts when you actually start working on the data science projects, then you can also refer to this course. So you will have unlimited and unrestricted access to the course for what you are paying for. Next thing, Internshala also conducts master classes where they will take a topic which is most relevant to the industry, and they train the people whoever enrolls for this course. They will train them on those industry relevant topics, and this training is given by top-notch industry leaders who is already working on this data science stream for last like 10 to 20 years. So you will get the immense amount of knowledge by interacting with them, and also having this masterclass session, you will get all of the knowledge that they possess. So after completing this course, you don't get one certificate, instead you will get 2 certificates. The first certificate is from Internshala's trainings. This certificate is recognized by 1,80,000 companies and more. And the second certificate is from NSDC and Skill India, which is a government certificate. So after hearing all the good things about this particular course, I know that you have already made up your mind to enroll into this course, but there is few more things that's going to surprise you. I mentioned you already enough number of times that this course is placement guarantee course. So as part of this, you will get mock interview sessions with the industry people. So you will get interviewed by them like as a mock to prepare you to the real interviews. So Internshala will also help you to draft your CV and cover letter, and they will assist you on this. It meets the industry standards and make them ATS friendly. And also they will help you with the soft skill sessions where they will help you become industry ready. And the best part about this placement guarantee program is like there is a dedicated placement team who is going to be continuously working with you until you get placed. This thing that I have never heard of anywhere else, and this is the one thing that I like the most in this course. So dedicated placement team to help you get placed. So most students who enroll into this course usually ends up getting placed within like 1 to 2 months after completing their course. So which is the most practical way in today's job market to get yourself started into the data science career. This course is very practical, so which means like what you will learn now is what you will use in the industries. Like once you get a job, so you will exactly do what you learned. So it's like really very practical course to make you industry ready. What are you waiting for? Just go ahead and sign up and enroll in this course to get your career started in the data science field. Trust me guys, once you enroll in this course, do not expect like a shortcut way, like just I will join so that I will get the job placement. So please don't do like that. So my advice is to enroll in the course, start attending the classes, complete the assignments on time, attend the boot camps, and finish the course on time. This course will definitely require your consistent efforts and dedication. So that is when you will get the complete benefit out of this course. So keep that in mind. Along with this course, you will get unlimited IS boost. So Internshala boost. So what it means, it gives a much more higher visibility of your profile so that you will skip the line and you will directly get placed. You will get access to the top brands and high paying jobs. So usually this IG boost costs around 12,000 and you will get it absolutely free just by enrolling into this course. I have added the course link and more information in the description and also in the pinned comment. So please do check it out. You can check out more details there and also stories from different students who already enrolled into this course. And Internshala, from now and then, they offer good offers also. So you can actually avail them. And if you have any doubts regarding this course, data science or job market, anything related to IT, data, job, AI, ML, data science, you can feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will go through each and every comment and I'm going to respond to each one of them. If you find this video helpful, please do hit the like button, leave a comment and share this video with the friends who is considering data science as their career. So see you in the next video. Until then, signing off, your Revant. Bye.